All right. So the huge difference here is the battery. Okay. These batteries running on a gas source last up to 10 hours. Running on the compressors, internal compressors, last 3 to 4 hours. Those ventilators won't work without being plugged into the wall. These ventilators also can be plugged into the wall like this one is. As you see on here, there's a little symbol that shows the plug. That means that it's plugged into the wall. In order for it to run off of the battery, you just unplug it. It'll start running off the battery by itself on its own. All right. Okay, you guys are going to connect the ventilator, and I'm going to walk you through what you're going to do, okay? All right. He's got it. Then you guys do this one. You can connect the SPO2. Yep. SPO2 goes there. And then this here, don't do that yet. Because if you take it off, it's going to start an alarm. Because it wants you to keep it on. All right, this here is oxygen reservoir. What it does is, let's say if we had a small oxygen cylinder, we can bleed in at 3 liters per minute. This will create a reservoir with 100% oxygen, so it can use minimum amount of oxygen to deliver the FiO2. Yeah. So you can conserve oxygen using it. Yep. If you have a limited source or a concentrator.